In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a box plot in Excel. A box plot, also called a box and whisker chart, is a great way to quickly summarize the spread and shape of your data, showing the median, the middle 50% of values, and potential outliers. If you're comparing multiple categories or groups, it helps you see differences in distribution at a glance. Start by opening Excel and going to the worksheet that contains the data you want to visualize. Make sure you're working with numerical values because box plots are built from numbers only. If your data includes text labels, headers, or totals, keep those separate and focus on the actual numeric cells that represent your measurements. It's also a good idea to ensure the numbers are clean. No stray text, no symbols embedded in the cells, and minimal blanks, so the chart reflects your data accurately. Next, select the range that includes only the numeric data. Click and drag to highlight just those cells. If you're comparing several groups, select the numeric columns that sit side by side so Excel recognizes each as a separate series. Keep the selection tight to the data you want in the chart. Leaving out labels and subtotals avoids confusion and keeps the plot focused. With your range selected, go to the Insert tab on the ribbon. In the Chart section, click Recommended Charts. This opens a window that suggests chart types based on your data. To see the full list, switch to the All Charts tab. In the categories on the left or the gallery on the right, look for the box and whisker option. Click it to preview and then confirm to insert the chart. Excel will create the box plot instantly from your selection. The rectangle or box shows the interquartile range, the middle half of your data. The line inside the box marks the median. The whiskers extend toward the lower and upper values within a typical range, and any dots beyond those whiskers are potential outliers. If you selected multiple numeric columns, you'll see a separate box for each, which makes comparisons straightforward. If you don't see the box and whisker option, you may be using an older version of Excel. This chart type is available in more recent versions, so make sure your software is up to date. And remember, the quality of your chart depends on the quality of your selection. Stick to the numeric values that represent the data you care about. That's all it takes to create a box plot in Excel. Open your file, select the numeric range, go to Insert, choose Recommended Charts, switch to All Charts, and pick Box and Whisker to visualize your distribution clearly.